Hello children. Today let us learn the creative writing, notice writing for the lesson VVS Lakshman very special from Unit 2 Part C. Now on to the pattern to be followed in order to write a notice. Write the date on the right hand top corner. Give the details of what the event is, when and where it is going to be conducted in the first line itself. Then write the instructions to be given to the target audience. Target audience is nothing but the people whom you are going to give the notice to. Is it the staff? Is it the students? Is it the employees? According to the target audience, the instructions should be given. That is what is expected from the readers to be done. Then write the name of the issuing authority. Issuing authority is who is giving the notice. Question here. You have read the lesson VVS Lakshman very special. He is coming to your school to start a cricket coaching camp in your school. You are the school cricket team captain. Now, write a notice inviting all the students and staff to attend the inaugural function. Give all the details of the function, date, time, venue. Now on to the notice. Firstly, draw a box for the notice. Then write notice in block letters, block capital letters in the center of the page on the top. Below that, write the school or the name of the institution below it in small font. Then write the date to the right hand top corner. Then tell what is the event, when and where it is going to occur. Now here goes the notice this way. This is to inform that the famous cricketer VVS Lakshman is coming to our school on 15th August at 9 am to start a cricket coaching camp. All the students are requested to attend the inaugural function without fail. Then we give the information about highlights. Look children, for all the notice the highlights are not possible. Since this is a function or a celebration, we can give some highlights. Inauguration of sports room, distribution of kits to junior, sub-junior and senior teams, initiation of girls cricket team, inauguration of VVS Lakshman cricket corner, speech by VVS Lakshman. So these are the highlights of the day. All the students are expected to be in the school by 8 am. Since the function is at 9 am, it is expected that all the students should be in the school by 8 am. Then 9th and 10th students are to volunteer in seating arrangement and reception respectively. So this is a notice to all the students that they must come. And it is for the 9th and 10th students that they need to take care of seating arrangement and reception. And then we are giving the giving authority or the one who is giving the notice. That is the issuing authority. That is nothing but the school cricket team captain. Hope you all understood how to make a notice. Look children, always make a box and then after that you start writing a notice, and the notice should be as precise as possible. Thank you children. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.